Guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to download the PC Manager app on your Windows 11 PC, even if it's not available in your region. So as you can see, if I search for the PC Manager app in the Microsoft Store, it's not showing me the app I want. However, I already have PC Manager installed on my computer. So if you want to do the same, what you need to do is first open the Settings app on your Windows PC and then go to Time and Language. Now here select language and region. Now here you will need to select this country and region option and then set it to United States. So United States is where the PC Manager app is available. You can select any other country where the app is officially available. So I'll just set it to United States from here. Once I have done this, simply open the Microsoft Store and it will ask you to restart the app. So simply select this. Now once the Microsoft Store reopens, search for the PC Manager app again. Now shows up and then you can download it. Once you have downloaded the app, you can head back to the Settings app and then select your correct region again from here. Once you do this, you should be able to use the PC Manager app on your PC. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.